On June 1, 2025, Ukraine executed a military operation that would reshape the landscape of modern warfare. Known as Operation Spider's Web, this daring assault sent shockwaves through military circles worldwide. Utilizing 117 first-person view drones, each costing less than $1,000, Ukrainian forces managed to strike deep inside Russian territory, reaching as far as air bases in Siberia, nearly 5,000 kilometers from Kyiv. The success of this mission was not simply in the distance covered, but in the unprecedented use of advanced machine learning algorithms. These autonomous drones were not just remotely piloted. They relied on artificial general intelligence to plan, coordinate, and execute their attack, with minimal human oversight. Hidden in containers and transported by trucks, the drones were stealthily launched from within Russian borders, evading traditional surveillance and air defenses. In a matter of hours, over 40 Russian military aircraft, including strategic bombers and command planes, were damaged or destroyed. The Ukrainian president, Volodymyr Zelensky, estimated the cost of the damage at a staggering $7 billion. What made this operation particularly groundbreaking was its reliance on affordable, unmanned technology, demonstrating that a well-coordinated swarm of small drones could inflict massive damage on high-value targets, challenging the effectiveness of even the most fortified defenses. Operation Spider's Web signaled a seismic shift in military strategy, underscoring the transformative potential of artificial intelligence on the battlefield. It showcased how autonomous planning and deception tactics could enable a smaller force to outmaneuver and outsmart a much larger adversary. For defense strategists worldwide, the attack served as a wake-up call. The era of costly manned platforms may be giving way to an age defined by agile, intelligent, and cost-effective unmanned systems. Nations reassess their defenses. The lessons from Ukraine's bold operation will shape the future of warfare for years to come.